Are you curious about how to scan the end-to-end encryption code on WhatsApp using your PC? Let's walk through the simple steps together. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Next, select the chat that you want to scan the encryption code for. Once you're in the chat, locate the three dots in the top right corner and click on Contact Info. Scroll down the Contact Info page until you find the Encryption section. Click on Encryption to access the encryption details. Within the encryption section, you'll see an option to scan code. Click on Scan Code to activate the scanning feature. This will allow you to scan the end-to-end encryption code associated with the chat securely. By following these steps, you can easily scan the encryption code on WhatsApp using your PC. It's a quick and convenient way to ensure secure communication within your chats. Remember to scan the encryption code, open WhatsApp, select the chat, access contact info, navigate to encryption, and click on Scan Code. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching and happy scanning.